How to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add WhatsApp link in TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Adding WhatsApp link on TikTok is actually quite simple, but it depends upon what kind of link you're trying to add. If you have a WhatsApp link that you might have copied and then you want to add them to your TikTok bio, which is a group chat link or something like that, make sure that you have copied the link. Then you can open up the TikTok application, log into your account. Then just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Then once you have done that, you'll find this option here that says edit profile. So you can tap on edit profile. Now one thing that you can do is you can paste the link into your bio section over here, right? But the problem is that when you paste it to the bio section, that link will not get clickable, which means if someone visits it, it will not appear in blue format. You can't click and open it. If you have over 1000 followers, you'll find the website option over here, and you can instead choose to add a website link. But you can see you can add a social, you can choose to add Instagram and other options, but currently there is no WhatsApp, so you have to simply add the link in that way. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.